What's up guys, and welcome back to the third video. So on this one I'll just try to make a little bit of a simple um, cartoon. Okay, let me just go straight to it. Just come to straight to the color, and I'll just click around this area, then I'll just make it push it around this area, then I close it. Then I'll just use my circle, then I'll just draw like a circle just like that. Then I'll just select that. Then the height is my circle. I'll just click around this area, click option, you right click, then you go straight to insert item, go to that side. Also you do the same, click there, insert a new item, you're just inserting those 2 points. Just click on that point, that point is selected, click control and go to select to that point. Now it's selected, go to select that point in the middle, then that's selected, then you leave your control button, then you just hold this one, you push it that side. Then now you can just click this one alone, you push it up a little bit, do the same on this one, you push it down a little bit, and that can be our face. Number 2, so what I would love to do, I would love to use another circle. You come here, you just push it up a little bit, just go straight to white. Then I'll just, okay, before you even draw Control Z, you need to crop your things. Just let's drop that one, I click shift, then you go downwards, then you click group and you go straight, just name it face. Then on top of your face, that's when you can just take this and put it in between so we can know this is your face. Then we can take this thing and we can zoom in a little bit. Then you can just take this and just try to draw something like a mouth there. You can straight to the first point. If you want to make it a 1, you right click, then you go straight to loop, then you go straight to that thing, then it will open a mouth, just click there, then you go straight to insert a new point, then you just do it like that, then that will be my mouth. Then you can select this, click shift, go up, select that one, then you click mouth. Then I just move straight to the top. So as I'm trying to keep it a little bit basic, you can just take this thing, you go push it straight to your mouth. Then I'll just I'll go straight to my nose, click this one, just make my nose a little bit it's a little bit more brown here. Just select that one, just do it like this again. You go to the first one, you click right click, then you loop the points, you select that one, select this one, then you just make sure like you don't select your mouth there, you just come straight to this point, you insert a new point, just drag it to inside like you're creating a mouth, you insert like another point, then you push it like just like that, then you take this one, then you push it like that, then it will create something like a nose. You can just zoom in and just try to create it, just try to create it. I can just click on the first one, then I can remove that point smart, then I'll just have that thing like a nose over there. I just love it, just like that. I'll just try to keep it a little bit simple for this one, and I'll just close this. Just click that one, then you group it, and you can write your nose. I don't know why I cannot close. I think I will be blaming the screen recorder. So the last thing the last thing that I want to show you, I don't have to create the mouth. I'll just show you guys on how to animate. The aim was to show you how to animate, and then you just select this area just to select mouth. Then you select here, then the route thing will be red. Then you can come straight to that key, select that key, then now you can animate. You can see, just click your plus button just to show that is your starting point. Then you go skip 1 2, then I come here, then I select there, then I can change my mouth shape, put it just like that, 1 2, and you can add a new point there. Then you can skip another 1 2, just keep doing that until like the end. You can see we have new points over there. You come here, you just open your mouth again, you come here, you just close your mouth again, and you can just copy that one thing over and over again. So the more like you move your mouth, like you just create itself like automatically, like the points, just like that, guys, just like that, just like that. Just then after that, you just click there to tell like the studio that you are done animating. Just click here so that you can put your point back to the beginning. Then you can click play here just to see how your mouth looks like. So you can see like our person, he is talking. Don't ask me how I know that is the he, but he is talking whatsoever. So as we go on, like we'll try to be a little bit advanced. I don't want like to go deep right now. There's an option whereby you can create mouth shape and you can use like a controller to move your mouth, but I'm not ready to show you that, guys. I'll be showing you as the time goes by. Right now I wanted to show you like some basics on how to actually move, on how to animate, like some basics on how to animate on Synfig Studio, and how to drop. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you on the next video.